Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. You got to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated and it goes a long way. Today, I am reviewing a shoe. This was dope, man. If you're not online, if you're not following on Twitter, follow Atmos USA on Twitter. They do raffles. They do online raffles where you can do in-store or pickup, but they also have raffles that give you opportunities to participate on Twitter. So they have a hashtag called Atmos Collectors Club. So they'll either give you a bingo card, a virtual bingo card where you have to fill in some of those spots on the bingo card, or they'll just ask you a general question and you have to post pictures along with your general question. This time they did a SB bingo card for a pair of dunks, and so I participated in it. I did not win the pair of dunks. I didn't hear anything back from them, so I'm assuming that they had more pairs of different shoes in. So they came a couple days later and said, hey, you know, we still looking at some of the submissions. So I just sent a tweet saying, hey, you know, I didn't get them, but hey, you know, I participated, and my DM dry, jokingly. And probably about 5 or 10 minutes later, they sent me a DM and said, congratulations, you got a pair of Nike SB Dunks, court purples. So I sent them my information. They sent me the invoice. I paid it. And here we are. Dunk Low SBs, court purples. Shout out to Atmos for that, man. Like I said, if you're not following Atmos, man, it's a must. It's Dunk Low SB Pro. But yeah, you got to follow Atmos, man. Dope, dope, dope. The way they do shoes, they really for the community. The way that they have that approach. Because some stores just do the online raffle, and you know what happens with that with some of these stores. But yeah, here we go. Dope shoe. Dope shoe. I love this shoe. I actually was trying to get a trade for this shoe on Trade Block, but some of the offers that people were trying to counter offer with for this shoe was just ridiculous. Some people wanted 2-3 pair of shoes, like totaling $600-700 for these, and I'm like, you out of your mind. That's not happening. So I just let it go and moved on from it, and look what happened. So shout out to the good people at Atmos. You can see got the fat tongue, you know how we do it. Fat tongue, court purple sole, court purple in the back, not court purple, the black in the front. It's a dope shoe. It reminds me of the Pandas, but it has that purple in it, sets it off for me. Honestly, I'm contemplating either I'm gonna keep these black laces in, or I might do the court purple laces. I might have to find me some court purple SB laces to throw into these. Definitely grateful. Shout out to the people at Atmos for this shoe, because they will be rocked. They went to a great home and they will be rocked. So you know what else we got to do? Oh, come on. These joints are hard. So definitely a keeper. I will be putting these up in the case and preparing to rock. So enough of that, man. Let's get to the on feet.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you all to the winner circle, where everybody in my inner circle we in. Before we hit the streets, Lord, forgive me for my sins. Born in the country where they judge you for your skin, yet and still we keep winning from beginning to the end. Yeah, and failure just an afterthought. Fuck a bank account, I'm trying to put some cash in vaults. Skate down West Timer like Gretzky. Ride for it tough as I pull a couple jet skis. 4 days, 3 nights, Cozumel cruise. Postman, I can show you what that mail do. Video and pics, swear I was on TMZ. 8-car entourage, all black GMCs. FMG, got a stable full of GMC.